You know that feeling when you have 15 tabs open in your browser? You ever been at your kid's event or a family dinner and you just can't get your mind off that work email? Look, we're told we can have it all, but 53% of us are struggling just to juggle the basics. I used to be the guy with notes scattered across 5 different apps, constantly afraid of letting someone down. I didn't need another productivity app. What I needed was a second brain that actually worked. Hi, I'm Mark, and today I'm going to show you how AI can make that possible for anyone. Let me tell you what my life looked like 6 months ago. I've spent 25 years in technology. I've spent my career innovating and solving complex problems for big companies. I love what I do. But outside of work, life was a different kind of complex. Between coaching my daughter's softball team, helping family, being there with friends, I was hitting a wall. Here was the irony. I was a high-tech professional, and when I'd have a brilliant idea on a morning walk, it'd be gone by the time I hit my desk. I was missing doctor's appointments. My personal email was piling up. The breaking point came when I found I was spending more time managing my systems than living my life. I didn't want to be a productivity scientist just to remember a grocery list. But everything shifted over the December 2025 holiday season when I was able to build a better system with AI. I took a backlog of 50 unprocessed notes, the kind that would take hours to sort through, and I fed them to my new AI system. In 2 minutes, it was done. Notes were routed, tasks were sorted, and ideas are categorized. And for the first time, I wasn't managing the system. The system was managing itself. I used to spend 2 hours on Sunday nights, sorting notes, reviewing tasks, planning the week, trying to remember what I'd forgotten. Now, it happens automatically through the week. Now I have an assistant working in real time, helping me plan, helping me execute, keeping me focused. My time is streamlined, my mind is clear, and for the first time in years, I don't feel overwhelmed. So what exactly is this system? And how can you build your own? Even if you're not technical. Let me explain. Think of it like this. Your brain's incredible at thinking, solving problems, being creative, making connections, being present with your kids. But your brain is terrible at remembering everything, especially when life gets busy. The second brain is an external system, captures everything, every idea, every task, every appointment, every don't forget to, and organizes it automatically so you can find it when you need it. But here's where most people get stuck. Building one traditionally takes hours of setup. You need databases, tags, templates, workflows. It's a project in and of itself. That's where AI changes everything. You just capture your thoughts. AI does the organizing. No manual tagging, no filing, no deciding which app does this go in. You think, AI handles the rest. Here's what I love about using AI for this. You don't need to be technical. I've worked in technology for over 25 years. That's literally my career. But I built this system because I didn't want to spend my weekends configuring workflows. I wanted something that just works for my actual life. AI lets you speak your thoughts and it captures them while you're walking, driving, or making dinner. It organizes automatically without you thinking about it. No manual filing, no tags, no systems to maintain. Surface what matters when you need it. Your kids' upcoming activities, that appointment you need to schedule, the thing you told yourself you'd follow up on. Work the way your brain works, not the way some productivity guru says you should. Just capture, AI organizes. You get your brain back for actually living your life. Over the next 6 weeks, I'm going to show you exactly how you build this, step by step. Whether you're a busy parent juggling kids' schedules, or a professional trying to balance priorities, this just works. Most people using AI today are stuck at level 1. Copy something in, hope it helps, paste and pray. This series is going to take you to level 3, where AI is actually working for you, automatically, every day. Here's how we get there, step by step. Episode 2, we set up your system. Notion and Claude, both free to start.
No credit card, no commitment. This is where level 1 begins. In episode 3, mobile capture. How to capture a thought from anywhere. Soccer sidelines, grocery store, middle of the night. If it's in your head, we get it out. In episode 4, this is where things change. You hand it to Claude and watch it organize your life automatically. Notes, tasks, ideas, all of it routed. That's level 2. AI starts working for you. In episode 5, daily and weekly workflows that actually stick. Minutes a day, not hours a week. And now, you're at level 3, a real second brain running in the background. In episode 6, we go deeper. Health tracking, family coordination, projects, email and calendar. Everything connected. By the end of 6 weeks, you'll have a system that remembers everything so you don't have to. Organizes automatically, surfaces what matters when it matters, and works for your actual life.
And here's the best part. You don't need to be technical. If you can use your phone, you can do this. If you're tired of forgetting things that matter, if you're swimming in apps and notes, if you just want your brain back for thinking instead of remembering, this series is for you. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Next week, we're doing the setup together. I'll walk you through it step by step. I'm Mark. I'll see you in episode 2.